Paper 14 SFM Chapter 8 Security Analysis and Portfolio Management. Question number 37. According to question, on the basis of results from illustration 36, find out portfolio return and portfolio risk, assuming that weights are equal in both the stocks. It means what? If there are two securities, we invested 50% in security 1 and 50% in security B. When it comes to second scenario, weights are not given. So let's go to question number 36 and quickly see the values. So calculate mean return and standard deviation from the details given. They provided 5 years and returns of stock X and stock Y. 2011 to 15, 12.40, 7.20, 8, 4.80, 0.40 in X, minus 19, minus 23.40, 27.60, minus 10.60, 19 in stock Y. In stock Y, what we can see? Negative returns and positive returns. So let's come to question number 37. First of all, we have written ES, then XI, that is returns from 2011 to 2015 minus mean of X. Mean of X is 6.56. How it came? It is average of total return during 2011 to 15 divided by n number of years. N is 5 years. Likewise, mean for Y is 1.28, that is negative value. So we need to xi minus mean X, what? 12.40 minus 6.56, 7.20 minus 6.56. Likewise, when we calculate it, it comes like 5.84, 0.64, 1.44 minus 1.76 minus 6.16. Minus 6.16 is because here we can see 0.40. Likewise, we have to calculate for xi minus mean of X. Then we need to multiply xi minus mean of X value into xi minus mean of Y value. So net total value of xi minus mean of X into yi minus mean of Y is minus 184.57. that is this one. Okay. So in first scenario, what it was given, weights are equal, that means what? 0.5 and 0.5, that is 50% and 50%. They need to calculate covariance. Covariance is in this scenario, covariance is nothing but standard deviation. Okay, so covariance is equal to summation of xi minus mean of X into yi minus mean of Y divided by n minus 1. N minus 1 means number of years minus 1. So we have total value 184.57, that is minus value, divided by 5 minus 1. Number of years given is 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So the net amount will be in negative value since the total is in negative value. So covariance is how much? 46.14. that is what? This one. So portfolio, return on portfolio, we have to calculate. Return on portfolio, they see up to this question we have seen two formulas. That is what? First formula is return on portfolio RP is equal to risk-free return plus undiversifiable risk of return on market minus risk-free return. Technically, RP is equal to RF plus beta of RM minus RF. Further, we have seen a second formula when weights and expected returns are given in the question. Portfolio 1, no, stock 1, when we have stock 1, stock 2, like that, weight 1 into expected return plus weight 2 into expected return. Now we are seeing third formula. Since we have mean value, that is average of 5 years, we have to multiply weight with mean value. So that is what here they given. Now here wx into mean of x plus wy into mean of y. Okay, so when we do that, so weight is what, 0.5, that can be written as half 1 by 2. Okay, so either we can write 1 by 2 or 0.5 into 6.56 plus 0.5 into minus 1.28. The net answer is what, 2.64 is expected return from portfolio of these stocks X and Y. Variance of return. While calculating variance, we are applying square. From variance, when we are calculating standard deviation, we are applying to square root to the net answer, whatever comes to that variance. Okay, so in this scenario, formula for this is sigma p square, that is sigma p square, standard deviation of portfolio square is variance. So we need to follow this formula as based on the details we have. Weight x square into sigma x square plus weight y square into sigma y square plus 2 weight x weight b sigma xy. Sigma xy, what we have calculated covariance, that is minus 46.14. Okay, remaining all values we can get from earlier calculations and previous question, that is a 36th question. Weight x square 0.5, sigma x square is, we can see here, to know how to calculate this value, please refer to 36th question explanation in this channel by posting the first line, this line in search column, search box. Okay, to find 37th question, you can copy paste this much in search column. So sigma x square is 19.41, sigma y square is 533.87. we have multiplied next 0.5 square into 533.87 plus 2 into weight of x 0.5, weight of y 0.5 into sigma xy, that is 46.14 we have calculated in this question itself. So the net value will be 115.25. To get the standard deviation, we have to apply square root to this 115.25. So standard deviation of the portfolio is 10.47. This is the standard deviation when weights are equal, that is 50% and 50%. In second scenario, weights are not given, then what is portfolio return and portfolio risk we need to calculate. Portfolio risk is nothing but standard deviation. Okay, so return on portfolio is standard for first question and second question, that is 2.64. no need to further calculate that. So let us get into that. So when weights are not given, we have to find weights. What is weight of x component, that is x stocks, and what amount invested in stock y. For that we need to calculate correlation coefficient, that is indicated with the symbol rho, which looks like P. So rho xy is equal to sigma xy divided by sigma x into sigma y. We have sigma x and y. We have calculated. It is 46.14 divided by sigma x. Also we have 4.41 and sigma y also we have 23.11. That also calculated in the previous question. These two things. Okay, done. So we need to put values for calculation. Sigma x is equal sigma xy is minus 46.14 divided by 4.41 into 23.11. That is what net term value 0.15. So 0.15 is what sigma of rho xy, that is correlation coefficient of xy. So from this we can calculate x and y values. Weight of x is equal to sigma y square, that is standard deviation of y square, minus sigma x into sigma y into rho xy, divided by sigma x square plus sigma y square minus 2 into sigma x, sigma y and rho xy. Here sigma y square variance, it is sigma x is a standard deviation of x, and sigma y is standard deviation of 5. Rho xy we calculated. Likewise the bottom part also, that is sigma x square plus sigma y square minus 2 sigma x, sigma y and rho xy. So when we substitute values, sigma x square is 533.87 as we refer to question number 36 answer, minus sigma x is 4.41, sigma y is 23.11 and rho xy is just now we calculated that 0.45 negative value, divided by sigma x square 19.41 plus sigma y square 533.87 minus 2 into 4.41 into 23.11 into minus 0.45. So weight of x, then actual amount to be invested in x is 0.90. So if we have 1 rupee to invest, we have invested 90 paisa in stock x. Remaining how much we invested? 10 paisa in stock y. So stock y, how much weight means weight y is equal to 1 minus weight x, that is 0.10. So we have weights now. How much we have invested? When we have invested in 50%, expected return on portfolio varies because of weights. So when we invested 50% in stock X and 50% in stock Y, the expected return on portfolio is 2.46. Okay, so since now weights are changing, 90 is to 10, definitely return on expected will be get changed. So return on portfolio RP is equal to weight x into mean x, weight y into mean y, that is 0.90 into 6.56 plus 0.10 into minus 1.28. So the net expected return is 5.78%, which is higher rate of expectation, because 90% we are invested in positive value and 10% invested in negative value. Earlier 50% invested in positive value, 50% invested in negative return. Okay, so from this, to calculate standard deviation, we need to calculate variance of this portfolio. When we apply square root to variance of the portfolio, we will get standard deviation. So variance can be represented as sigma p square. Sigma p square is equal to weight x square into sigma x square plus weight x square y square into sigma y square plus 2 of weight x weight y into standard deviation of that is what, right? Here we calculated correlation coefficient, that is rho xy. This one it is wrong here. It is rho. Let me start. It is, how we need to write means rho x y, like that we need to write. So we need to substitute values. Weight x square 0.90 square. Here also value is represented incorrectly. 2 should be at upper portion, right? They give here as into, that should be like 0.90 square. Okay, 0.90 square into, we have sigma x square value 19.41 plus 0.10 square, it is not into 2. Both net amount will be same, though no, it differs na. 10 into 2 20, 10 into 10 100, so it is wrong whatever they given here. Okay, so 0.90 square into 19.41, that is correct, plus 0.10 square into 533.87 plus 2 into 0.90 into 0.10 into minus 446.14. Okay, so give me a second, I'll calculate whether they calculated correctly or not. 0.9 into 0.9, that is 81, that what is what, 0.81 into 19.41, 15.72, here it is correct. Next, 0.10 into 0.10 into 533.87, that is 5.3387, this is also correct. Minus 2 into 0.9 into what, 2 into 0.9 into 0.1 into 46.14 minus, okay, that is minus 8.3052, correct. So the net variance value is 12.7535. This is variance. To get standard deviation we need to apply square root to this, that is 3.57.